This is my dog, Chloe. Hey, Chloe. Hey, Chloe. This is her chair. Her mess. You look at both. Huh?